What do you think is the number one trick, secret to happiness? The number one secret to happiness, the number one of all of them. I've got a lot, but the number one. Quiet your mind. Thank you, Eric. Good. And how do you do that? How do you do that? How do you quiet your mind? Thank you, Colin. Be present. Be present. So your mind is, like the monkey mind, is all over the place, but it's mostly all over the place in fear when it's in the future, okay? So it's when it's not in the present, it's very active. And that's how you feel all stressed out and fearful, et cetera, et cetera. But when it's present, the present moment is your sanctuary. The present moment is where there is no fear. Remember, who can tell me the definition of fear, everybody? We've talked about it 1,000 times. Starts with that. Thank you, Melody. Thank you, Francois. Thank you, Heather and Susie and James. Anticipation of pain. When is anticipation? Past, present, or future? Thank you. It's future. Future. Is future real or imagined? Future is imagined, right? Here, go ahead. Go clap your hands right now. Clap your hands tomorrow. Try it. Go ahead. Clap your hands tomorrow. You can't do it. Why? Because tomorrow doesn't exist. It only exists in your imagination. I can imagine myself, so I can't actually clap them tomorrow. Isn't it only tomorrow, right? But right now, in this real moment, I can clap my hand because this real moment exists. You are happy in the present moment, right? You are happy in the present moment. That's where your happiness resides. How do I get to be happy? What if I get this? If I do that? No, because that's conditional happiness. Those are always coming and going and coming. That means your happiness is coming and going and coming and going. Do you want that? No. Oh, there's a coronavirus. Oh, I'm unhappy. This coronavirus went away. Oh, I'm not happy. No, you're not gonna. You think you're going to be happier when you can go out. You think you're going to be happier when your coronavirus finishes. You think you're happier when the stock market goes up. No, you won't. No, you won't. You have a habit of your current happiness level right now. That habit will stay with you regardless of what is going on outside of you. Up and down, up and down, up and down, in and out, yes and no, blah, 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 right? Happiness can only be experienced in this moment. True happiness can only experience in this moment. Real happiness can only experience in this moment because real happiness can only be experienced in this moment because it's the only real moment you have. True happiness can only be experienced in this moment because it's the only true moment you actually have. Right? You want real happiness? You want true happiness? You have to practice happiness now. Write that down.